So guys, you have published your website or blog and now you're running into some issues. Now you need help in order to update the URL slug because it does not match the URL of your dreams. So in case you are running into some issues like this, you can easily update the URL slug by following the steps on the screen in front of you. So guys, there can be various ways in order to change the URL slug. And one of the easier ways is that firstly go to marketing, then go to website and click on website pages in the case of website pages. Now you are able to see the different website pages you have. Maybe I want to change the details page. I click on edit over here and then the editor would open up where I can see what the actual page is like. Now if I click on settings, I would be able to see that there is a section called as page URL. If I click here, I can update the URL of the page which is live here. So this is how you can change the slug. Maybe I can make it product, and this is how you can change it. And just like this, now you just close this window and click on update finally, and this page URL is changed now at /products. So that's how it works. And now even the editor has been improved. A lot of changes keep coming to HubSpot. So this was one of the ways you can change the URL for the pages on your website. Now, apart from this, if you want to change the URL for blog pages or blog posts, click on marketing, then click on website, then go to blog. The process is almost similar for blog posts. You can click on edit over here. Instead of clicking on more, click on edit. And then finally, even on the blog post, click on settings. And here you can change the blog URL. So you can click on this pencil icon here, click on update, a URL of your choice, and once that is done, finally click on the cross button and then finally click on update button on the top in order to make your changes live. So guys, I hope this guide was easy to follow, and in case you are still running into some issues, do let us know in the comment section below and we will be more than happy to help you. And in case you want our help in order to build the project of your dreams, do reach out to us via the QR code on the screen in front of you or via the link in the description below, and we will discuss this with you in a free one-on-one consultation call. And I'll see you guys soon in the next video.